Bruce Lee said, "The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus." In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Virabadhrasana III, also known as Warrior III. This pose requires focus, attention, and balance. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Bring yourself up to a standing position, starting off in mountain pose. You will find the link to this tutorial up top. Take a step back with the left leg, fully planting the back foot at a 45-degree angle. The front foot is pointing straight forward, fully bending the front knee and making sure that it is in line with your ankle. Align your shoulders to your hips and extend your arms up to find Warrior I. With your palms together, begin to shift your weight to the right foot, bringing the arms straight forward and lifting up the back leg. Engage the muscles in the abdominal area. Seal the space between your arms and your ears as you fully extend the left leg up. Maintain the chest flat with the shoulders away from the ears. Avoid placing unnecessary pressure in the neck and shoulders, and stay here for 5 long breaths. Once ready, land the back foot on the ground to come back to Warrior I, and then from there coming back to Tadasana, or continue your journey as you flow in your sequence. Remember, it is important to keep your practice symmetrical, so don't forget to do it on the other side. And as always, keep on practicing. Namaste.